Hi there. Welcome to Mr. ASquare Tech channel and my robotic voice. In this video we will see the unboxing of budget-friendly ring light. Let's get started. It has 4 buttons. First button is power button to turn on and off the light. Second button is to decrease the brightness of the light. Fourth button is to increase the brightness of the light. Third button is to change the color temperature modes. It has 3 color temperature modes. One is cool, second one is soft warm and third one is high warm. Let me quickly connect this light to my power bank and show you the settings and button functions. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and please show your love in the form of likes and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in another video with my robotic voice.